Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to upgrade the firmware of your enrolled Datalogic devices using SureMDM. With your SureMDM tool, you're able to upgrade the Datalogic firmware over the air in just 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to create a file transfer job and push the firmware file onto the device's storage. Step 2 is to create a run script job to start broadcast receiver, and another run script job to upgrade the Datalogic firmware on the device. Step number 3 is to push these 3 jobs onto your devices. Let's go ahead and take a quick look on how to achieve this. To get started with step number 1, which is the file transfer job, let's go ahead and navigate to Jobs, click on New Job, Android, and File Transfer. Click on Add, and upload the Datalogic firmware. Make sure to copy this name. Click on OK. Let's go ahead and create the first run script job to start broadcast receiver. To do that, click on New Job, Android, Run Script. In this section, paste the run script to start broadcast receiver from the written documentation section. Make sure to rename the path of the file in the script to the appropriate value. Let's give it a name. Let's click on Save. Next, let's go ahead and create the second run script job that will be used to invoke the Datalogic firmware upgrade process on your enrolled Memoir 10. Let's go ahead and click on New Job, Android, Run Script. On this page, paste the run script from part 3 of the written documentation. Make sure to enter the correct path of your Datalogic firmware. Let's give it a name. Let's click on Save. Let's go ahead and push this out to the devices. Click on Home, select my Memoir 10 unit, and first apply the file transfer job, and hit Apply. Once the file transfer is complete, we will go ahead and apply the first run script job, which was to start broadcast receiver. To do that, click on Apply, and select the script to start broadcast receiver, and select Apply. As you can see, the job has been picked up by the device. Once complete, we will go ahead and apply the second run script job. Click on Apply and select the script. As you can see, the job has been picked up by the device, and momentarily you will see your device perform the firmware upgrade. Alternatively, you can combine these 3 jobs that we created into a single job and push it out to the device. To do that, click on New Job, go into Android, and select Composite Job. Here, you can add the 3 jobs required for the firmware upgrade and combine them into one. Click on Add, First will be the Memoir10 firmware file transfer job. Second will be the run script job to start broadcast receiver. And third will be the script to perform firmware update. Let's go ahead and give it a name. Click on OK. Now, instead of applying 3 separate jobs, you can just push one composite job onto your enrolled Datalogic devices. Thank you for watching.